and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Lion King inspired t-shirt. And we are gonna paint with fingers the same way as Rafiki painted Symba on the tree. This video is my second Lion King inspired video. The first one you can watch here. I created more complicated design on the t-shirt, and this one will be easy design. I will show you step-by-step process, and also it will be so fun. So grab your fabric paints and grab some basic clothes and let's create! So here I drew Symba on the paper, and now I will use carbon paper or transfer paper to transfer this drawing from the paper to the t-shirt. And my mannequin will be a tree of life in this video, but you can paint on the table of course by fixing t-shirt on the cardboard. So let's transfer! And now I will outline Symba with brush and chocolate color, and then we will start painting with fingers. And now I will mix chocolate and cinnamon colors, and I will mix these colors with finger. Yes, I will paint with fingers now. And first I will paint an outline, and then I will paint Symba. And I'm trying not to copy this image of Symba painted on the tree. I'm making same strokes, I'm using same colors. To make this painting look artistic, some strokes I make just with chocolate color, some strokes with just cinnamon, sometimes I mix these colors together. And now I will mix a yellow color and cinnamon to paint Symba, and same, first I dip my finger into paint and then I smear this paint on the t-shirt. It was so fun! And now I want to complete this painting, because in the movie when Rafiki learned that Symba is alive, he painted his mane, and I want to paint it too, and I will paint again with fingers, and I will use now red color. So let's do it! And here is my coconut. I will use this bowl to mix red paint with a small amount of water. And of course I can't paint this mane the same fast as Rafiki painted it, because I paint on the t-shirt. But anyway, I have now so interesting feeling. And now I'm using hard brush to splatter paint to make this painting a bit more interesting. Okay, center part of the composition is finished, painting of Symba, and I had so much fun painting it. I really was imagining that I'm Rafiki painting Symba on the tree. And now I want to paint more Lion King related stuff around the Symba. I want to paint some symbols, some quotes from the movie, and then I think that this t-shirt will be so interesting. So let's continue painting. And now I fixed t-shirt on the cardboard because I think it will be easier for me now to paint and to write. And I will paint now sun symbol, crown, I will paint lion footprint, and I decided to write just one quote. The king has returned. And painting is finished. Guys, I wasn't sure about this video, should I make it, because this Lion King trend is near over and I wasn't sure will people be interested in painting something like this on their clothes. But now I'm happy that I made this video because this design is an example how you can have fun painting on your clothes. You can paint with your fingers, you can splatter some paint, you can make brush strokes. Easy and fun. I hope guys you like this video, and if you did, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.